All right, guys. This is my Forex Funds. Uh, I promise I'll be making a video on this. So yeah, in case you don't know anything about this, my Forex Funds, they're pretty much prop firms. There are a whole lot of prop firms. There's FTMO, there's my Forex Funds, there are a whole lot. You guys can look them up. But I recommend my Forex Funds. I've used it before, and yeah, kind of used it before, but I've gone through a little review and everything seems legit, like it's actually very, very legit. So what I'm trying to say here is my Forex funds, let me just go to the homepage. These are just companies that they give you they give you money, capital to start trading. So you're gonna get some capital from them, but normally there's a fee that they're going to charge you. And not only that, you're going to have you're going to have to pass the phase one challenge and the phase two, a phase one evaluation phase and the phase two evaluation phase. Normally, for every business sense, nobody wants to risk their his or her money without not being so sure. So that's why they actually offer this challenges because they want to practice. And again, it's not just any type of challenge. They actually test your consistency. And not only that, you can really just go through a little bit. You see my Forex funds, the market awaits you, start now. You have to, if you wanna log in, you have to come log in here and start now. You're gonna create, it's free. You can create an account is free, but you actually have to buy the package. Okay. So you have rapid evaluation phase accelerated. So from here you can see, yeah, you need some experience. Yeah, you have to be experienced. Yeah, trades full time for a living. So yeah, get to see how pro firms work. Get paid as you gain experience. Low entry cost. Progress into a professional trader. Blah blah blah. Here, prove your experience with our evaluation account. Week two, quick two-phase evaluation processes. I told you about that. Generous drawdown limits, profit split up to 85%, guys. Accelerated trades full-time for a living. Get started immediately with our accelerated funding industry leading profit split, speedy upscaling, multiple sizes, and all that shit. This is what we pay more focus on, guys. Evaluation phase. You guys can check these other ones out, but I prefer evaluation phase because look at this. The evaluation phase is it's I mean, I just so much love it because of all and again this they have rules you have to follow. I wish I could read all of this, but it's gonna take me a lot of time. So I'll skip that. So this is where we pay more focus on, guys. We have 6 major points to remember. 6 major points. There are like rules. There are a lot of rules, but we'll have these 6 major points to remember. Number one, 5% daily drawdown. You must not have a 5% drawdown based on your balance or equity, whichever is higher, on your account within a 24 period starting 5 p.m. EST. This is very tricky. Let me just take a minute and solve this. When they say 5% daily drawdown, let's say, for example, you're with $10,000 capital. If you hit a negative of 5%, if you hit a negative of 500 or 501 as you're in negative, it means your balance is probably 1,000. Sorry, your balance is probably 9,499. You've triggered the 5% daily drawdown and you're out. Whoosh, you're out of the whole gang. And it doesn't mean you can be 5%. Let's say you're having a running trade and you're losing like 400, you're losing like 500, you're losing like $600, let's say, and still on that trade you were losing $600, and that same day, and it went back to positive, maybe, or cleared out a little bit of negative and took you to like minus 200. I'm sorry, because you've lost the account. I mean, it's over because you have a violation. You don't have to trigger any of these violations, guys. I love this so much because it trains you in such a way. You have to actually, keep your trading psychology set, have the balls of holding some trades and all of that. But mostly, like every good forex trader is gonna do is, I just so much love forex trading because I have the will and power to control what I lose in the market. Sorry. So this is why I just love this evaluation phase, because it teaches you how to control your risk, control your losses. Why would you be losing 5% a day, by the way? What type of trader are you? At most, if you're a very good profitable trader, at most you should be risking high maximum 3% of your account per trade. How come you're risking up to 5, bro? So that's said and done. The next rule, this is 12% overall drawdown, okay? This is like forever. Let's say, yes, you're losing 5% today. You did not lose 5%, you lose like 4. The next day you lose 4, the next day you lose 4, you're out. You don't have to lose 12% of your account. Okay. Your account must not go down by 12%. Realized or unrealized to balance or equity. Equity just simply means float or plus current balance. Float is just the current trade which is running. It evolves in this. So that's it and done. We have 8% profit splits. Sorry, I'm so happy. We have 8% target phase 1. So you need to reach the profit target of 8% without breaching any of the other rules within a 30-day calendar period. Your time starts when you open the first trade. So this is very simple to understand. I believe the English is very normal. You just have like 8%. You have to make 8% of any account you're going to purchase. And while making 8%, you don't have to lose 5% in a day, or you don't have to lose 12% overall. You got 30 days, guys. 30 days to do this. You have a lot of time. For me, that's a good time if you're someone who's profitable. People take this shit and pass it like in 2 days and stuff like that. But for me, that's not the real focus here. They really want to train you. They want to see how you do things, like how you can be consistent in making money with forex trading. Okay, you have a phase 2, and the phase 2 is a 5% profit target. The same, you have to make 5%, but this one you got 60 days. I mean, if you pass the phase 1, why can't you pass the phase 2? Okay, so you got 60 days. You got 60 calendar days to pass the phase 2 challenge, and you have to make 5% of your account. If you made 8, why can't you make? If you make 8 within 30 days, why can't you make 5? 60 days. Nah, I mean, okay, guys. So number 5, we have 5 trading minimum days. This trading minimum days is like, even if you take the account and you pass the first challenge on your first trade or second, they're gonna contact you only when you've traded at least in 5 minimum days. Like I always say, they want to see consistency. They just want to see consistency when you're very consistent. Okay, number 6, no trading restrictions. Like you can use whatever lot size, you can use crazy lot size. Why would you be using crazy lot size if you're a profitable trader? So risk to reward management, proper risk money management, you have to have all of that intact, okay? You can read all the rules if you want to, but these are the 6 points we must pay attention to. Okay, so this is where we get like seriously. We have the lowest, cheapest, lowest. I mean, my Forex funds, they have the very, very cheap fee. I've checked others. 10K account, like in one website, I think I was on like a 10K account cost about 150. Like, was it 125? I think it was 125. Like I was, wow. So my first one's really, really good at discount shit. Okay, so you have the target, minimum trading days, daily starting drawdown, overall drawdown, available leverage, refundable registration fee, monthly fees. There's no monthly fee, so we're free with that. All right, I'm going to take this one after another. So we have the 10K. This 10K, they're going to give you $10,000. But first of all, like I always say, the target, you have to pass the phase one, 8%, pass the phase two, 5%, without losing 12% overall, and without losing 5% daily. That's all you got to do. Minimum trading days, like I said, at least 5 days. Daily drawdown 5%. Yeah, it's 500. So 1,200, and you purchase this for $84, $84, $84. Really not bad, because this is all what you're risking. This is your risk. This is what you're risking in this business you're doing, in this partnership. So we have 20K, the same 8%, 5%. Daily drawdown, do not lose up to 10, one up to 1K. And you have to be, you do not lose overall drawdown, don't lose up to 2,400. And yeah, pretty much every one of them have the same leverage. You buy this for $139. The next 50K, 2,500, 1,600, 299. Very affordable. 100K, so on, 200K. So you see, the prices are really not that bad, and you're gonna get refunded each and every of this fee depending on the one you choose. You're gonna get refunded on your first profit split, your first month's profit split. Okay, so you just gonna hit select a plan and register and add to chats. You can pay using any method you choose, guys. Like it's crazy. You can actually pay with Bitcoin. I mean, isn't that some good news? Some of y'all don't have CAD. Maybe you don't have like PayPal and stuff like that. So you see right here, you have credit card, some other payment, blah, blah, blah. Bar, Bitcoin and other currencies. You can pay with crypto. So I'll go for that. You just have to fill up all this information and all that. And yeah, everything, I think everything good. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like on the inside. Okay, so let's say, because I passed the phase one, I passed the phase two, and I'm about to get funded. I just submitted my documents, so I'm actually just waiting for, I'm just waiting for like, I'm just waiting for they have to review my documents and shit. So yeah, and they said they're going to contact me. I think I still have the email. I'm going to show you guys just in about a few. Okay. So like I like I always say, Forex is being consistent. It wasn't easy for me that much because your mentality, your psychology has to be changed. I really actually, it wasn't easy. This is the first one. Let's just go to my trade history. Actually, I made 8%. I was to make 8%, 800. I hit target, and you can see right here, passed. No fake, guys, passed. So let's just see trade history. Let me show you guys something. It wasn't easy for me, guys. Trust me. It wasn't easy. It's not gonna be easy for the first time. So, like I always say, I just had to, being consistent. You just have to stick to one strategy. I really just want to show you guys my losing trades, because I think I didn't really lose that much here, but yeah, I did make some losses. 129 loss minus $36. Yeah, I did make some losses. So, but it's gonna shock you that out of all these 30 days, I think I probably took like my last two trading days. I think I took two trading days and I passed this, because I just decided to stay. You can see like all the way from here. If you look all the way from here, like from here, you see. I mean, like this is. Oh my God! I think I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, let me see. Let me see. I think I'm bad at counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wins in a row. 8 wins in a row. So two different pairs. So Trading is just being consistent. That's all, guys. That's all I'll tell you. Trading is just being consistent. Like follow what you do, follow what you're doing, guys. Just follow what you're doing. Make sure your strategy, you're paying focus. Like be be disciplined. Discipline yourself. Like if you know this is your strategy, if A and B must happen, you take C. If A and B hasn't occurred, please do not trade. Follow, just be disciplined, guys. Don't force trades, don't force entries, because see, you have 30 days to pass this, and I took 24. So yeah, it was actually more. I did take 24. Okay, so this is the phase two. As you can see, this is my metrics here. Let me see if I can reload it. So you see, I went down right about 9,500. As you can see, about 9,500. So I had to scale back up, push up, came back down, go down again, push up, and you see that final push, consistency. That's what I want to see. So let's check out the other one. Let's check out the phase two. I just want to show you guys this works, and trust me, it's gonna help you guys. Like some of you all say you really just want to trade, like you you don't have enough capital and stuff like that. Boom, phase two. This is phase two. You have to make 5%, as you can see. It wasn't easy for me on phase two. Guys, I actually lost right up to about, I think it was about 9,000. Like you can see this graph. I think it was about like 9,000, 9,005. I was actually up to about, I was right down to about 9,400. So like I always say, it's just consistency. My first trade went down, push up, down, and this is gonna shock you guys because as you can see again, past. Like I always say, consistency. GBP, JPY, that's my bitch. As you can say, consistency, because if you look right here, you're gonna see this is what you'll be saying. This is what you'll be saying because see right here, guys. I mean, you can see multiple trades win, multiple wins. You see, so I had like the same thing. I was like the moment I was losing and I lost about 500, I stopped trading. I went back to my journal. I was like, why am I getting these losses? Like I know I'm a profitable trader and all that, but what's happening? So it wasn't easy, but I just had to, sit down, take my mind. Like I said, out of all the days I traded this, I actually did use just like 3 days. I used a single day. I cover up the loss I made, and I used 1.5 day, something like that, and I made the required profit. And it was like everything went smooth, guys. Everything went smooth too, because you see, even if you look right here, are you right? Like I don't trade everything. I just have my pairs I trade. GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, gold, NAS, gold NAS 100, US 30. That's all. Majority of the times I trade mostly GBP USD or GBP JPY and gold. Because when you spend less time on more chart, you learn more. You get more entries, you get more setups. Be careful, don't get tricky. Don't let this whole thing get messed into your head. And if you try to look above where like let me say uh okay, anyways, because from here I think you see we had this drop, still drop and push, scale up. And I was supposed to use 60 days, but I did it in 10 days. As you can see, days since first trade. And let's see, this right here, this is the live account. So I'm gonna just show you guys everything. I haven't taken any trades yet because it's just a virtual, it's a read only account because they still have my documents they have to approve. I think if I check, I think if I check here, we're gonna see. Yeah, I think I'm just expecting. Yeah, yeah. So we see. I don't know. Let me just show you guys from. I think I'll show you guys from here. Like, oh, okay, this is legit, guys. This is my certificate. I just passed and boom. So certificate of achievement probably presented to, yeah, that's me. That's my name. This trader has successfully passed my Forex Funds evaluation through discipline, hard work, and determination. Yo, this trader has proven themselves. I did this on my own. Them niggas call me themselves. Nah, nah. To be capable of achieving the required profit targets within the allocated risk parameters. This trader is officially a my Forex Funds trader. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Everything legit, because stay tuned because I think from 30 days from now or a month from now, I'll be making my first withdrawal, and I'm ready to share everything to you guys. So you know this is real. You know, I can't make any withdrawal to trading up for 30 days with the account. So I'll keep you guys posted. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and just turn on the bell notification if you really enjoy what I do, because this is me. This is me with them lines. Sorry about that. This is me with them lines and all that. So this is what we're doing. Welcome to Black FX. So things are really gonna get interesting down in the Telegram channel. I'll leave that in the I'll leave the link of the Telegram channel in the description. I have my mentorship VIP as well, but I just want you guys to just stick around. I think I dropped signals like 4 or 5 signals on the free Telegram channel. So you can just check. So thank you all, and just read about my Forex funds. It's gonna help you all. All right, guys. So I think this is what we're done. Bye bye.